Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is April 27th, 2021. It is 4/27/2021, and it is day 134, which means we have 36 days left of school. Today, we are going to be talking about a very beautiful Japanese poetry form called haiku. And it takes a very special form, and it is typically about nature. And we're going to take a look at it a little bit later in the morning announcements. Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. So everybody, Friday is Picture Day. Make sure you order your photos at mylifetouch.com or on the paper form that you received yesterday. All orders are due on April 30th. If you are a remote student, your parents have the opportunity to sign you up at a Sign Up Genius link that they have been emailed. So make sure if you want your picture taken on School Picture Day and you are a remote student, please tell your grown-ups to sign you up for Picture Day. Our open house live Zoom read aloud is this Thursday from 6 to 7. And again, this is not just for grown-ups. It is for you and your various family members. And I'm going to make it a little interesting. The class with the highest percentage of attendance will earn a prize. And we're going to vote on the prize in tomorrow's Wondering Wednesday poll. So stay tuned for your prize options. And again, make sure that you and your family join your teacher on Thursday night. Most everyone has posted information on their Schoology page, so look for it there. Mr. K will be starting his first Brain Break rotation today. When he's not subbing or covering meetings, Mr. K will be teaching gym during Brain Break. And this week it will be room 4, room 9, room 2, and room 1. Each week he will switch classes so that everybody gets a little bit of phys ed. So we're looking forward to that. Thank you, Mr. K. So a haiku, as I said, is a Japanese poem form that has a very, very unique form. And every haiku needs to follow this form. So I'm going to read this haiku to you, and then we're going to discuss what the form is. Haiku. Japanese poem of 17 syllables, 5, 7, and 5. So this haiku is actually in haiku form and explains what the haiku form is. It is a Japanese poem that consists of 17 total syllables. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7, and the last line again has 5 syllables. And if you're asking yourself, well, what is a syllable? A syllable is a unit of sound in a word that contains a vowel. Let's take a look and see if we can clap out the 5, 7, 5 syllables. Are you ready? Get your hands ready. You're going to do this with me. Here we go. Japanese poem, 5 syllables, of 17 syllables. 7. 5, 7, and 5. Again, 5 syllables. And so here is a real haiku, and this is called Cherry Blossom Dance. And you'll notice not only does it follow the 5-7-5 rule, it also uses some other poetry techniques like alliteration and personification. Here we go. Cherry Blossom Dance, a haiku. Powder pink buds bloom. Each branch dances in the wind, touching a blue sky. Isn't that beautiful? Haikus are very beautiful. And because today is Tuesday, we're going to talk about an idiom. This idiom is a phrase or saying that means something different than what you see here and what its literal meaning is. So what is the idiom and what does it mean? Take a look at this picture. What do you see? A little boy, and on his head he has some bunny ears and maybe some mouse ears and some maybe deer ears or horse ears, and he has his own ears. So what do you think the idiom is, and what does this idiom mean? Mrs. Sheehan will post it later today at 1 p.m. on Schoology. Again, everybody, it was Earth Day last week. For me, Earth Day is every day. Be kind to the earth, and don't forget, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Have a wonderful Tuesday, everyone.